Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a Gamesir controller. First, power on your Gamesir controller and activate its Bluetooth pairing mode. Then, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and select your Gamesir device to establish a connection. Once paired, download and install the official Gamesir app from your App Store. This application is crucial for configuring your controller and ensuring seamless gameplay. Now, launch PUBG Mobile directly from within the Gamesir app. This step is vital as it enables the Gamesir overlay. Once in the game, navigate to the control settings to see the on-screen layout. The Gamesir app will provide a transparent overlay, allowing you to drag virtual buttons from the controller onto the corresponding touch controls in PUBG Mobile. Carefully map each action, like shooting, aiming, and movement, to your preferred physical buttons. After mapping the basic controls, it's time to fine-tune your experience. Within the Gamesir app, you can adjust the sensitivity of your analog sticks. This is crucial for achieving precise aiming and smooth character movement in PUBG Mobile. Experiment with different values until you find what feels most comfortable and responsive for you. Additionally, explore any advanced features your Gamesir model offers, such as turbo fire for rapid shooting or custom macros for complex actions. With your controls mapped, jump into PUBG Mobile's training ground to thoroughly test your setup. Practice moving, shooting, and performing various actions to ensure everything works as expected. If any button feels off or unresponsive, return to the Gamesir app to make quick adjustments. Pay close attention to critical actions like picking up items, opening doors, and using scopes. If you encounter persistent issues, try restarting both the Gamesir app and PUBG Mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.